now that you have your stitch done, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna overcast using the zigzag stitch. So you can do this if you don't have an overlocker.
So what we have done here is we have set our machine here, we set it on a 2, and here we go onto our zigzag, which is in our machine is a B stitch, and now we are ready to overcast our stitch.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the foot down and zigzag on the edge of the fabric. Alright, and lift up your foot and pull out your fabric and nip that.
Now it's overcast nicely so it won't fray out.